Hi everybody, we're back with what's for dinner tonight. You know those wonderful cottage cheese bowl things that's been going around? Well, tonight ours is called backyard barbecue burger in a bowl. That's what we had. Because, I said I got that liquid smoke for the first time ever in my life, and I put it in an oil sprayer so I could just spray it directly on the meat, and it doesn't come out too much. See, it's just a little spray. It's kind of cool. I love it. So I put some liquid smoke on this burger meat. And Greg said it tastes like it came from McDonald's or Burger King. So I guess it's a good thing because Burger King is flame broiled. So it works for me. And so we're just going to take a little bit of cottage cheese here. And I am wicked on this cottage cheese trend. I like cottage cheese anyway. Cottage cheese is pretty darn good.
That's a thick cottage cheese.
I'm kind. And we get the 4% cottage cheese. Just great value. We're happy with it. Spread it out a little bit in my bowl. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to get some burger meat. Just fry it up in a pan. Put your favorite seasonings on it. We got some garlic powder and some onion powder on there. There we go. And let's see. I like tomatoes. So mine is definitely getting some tomatoes on there. I really like tomatoes.
Yeah.
Emma doesn't. Hers doesn't get tomatoes. And she doesn't do pickles either. I'm doing pickles.
I hate eating pickles on their own. I'll once a year have a little bit of a dill. Actually, my once a year dill will happen this year.
So there's some pickles. And we've got to have some cheese on the cheeseburger bowl. We just got to.
Cheese!
And you can heat yours up if you want. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna leave it just like that.
Because she got pickles and tomatoes and... Ugh.
And cheese, you know I like cheese.
Yeah.
And because I want a little bit more barbecue flavor, because I like barbecues. And it's wintertime, and it's really going to be cold out over the next few days. But I am really craving the, quote, summer foods. So here we go. We'll just sprinkle some barbecue sauce on there.
Not the cutest sprinkle, but it's a sprinkle.
Well, usually I get the kind with the squeezy lid, but this one didn't have one. I'm not impressed. I'm going to have to save a squeezy lid from somewhere else. But, there's my backyard burger cottage cheese in a bowl. Let's just check this baby out. Oh. Now that the liquid smoke has had time to really permeate the meat. Yum, yum, yum. If you've never tried liquid smoke before, I got mine for $1.92 a bottle at Walmart. It's in the seasoning section, I think. I don't know, I can't remember right offhand. But oh my goodness, this tastes like I just grilled it. Yum. Oh, you gotta do this. You gotta do this. Quick, easy, simple. If they don't like cottage cheese, have them do sloppy joes on a burger bun or something. I don't know. But add a liquid smoke. Go and get that $1.92 at Walmart. Yum. Alright, I'm going to stop taping now so that Emma can stop videoing and get her burger bowl ready, and then we're going to go eat. So I hope y'all have a super wonderful, fantastic night, and we'll see you on the next one.